Today, no skill, no YouTube, no business idea. This video for those friends who want to work from home. If you have already mobile phone and you can tap on mobile phone and copy paste and start from Google. So today I am bringing for you a very easy job that you can do from home and start earning $200 to $500 daily. Today I am going to share with you a platform. There are thousands of jobs for 1,000 people every day. And visit site and get job for on your choice. I'm going to share with you all about how you join this website and how you start working on this website and how you start earning through this website. Wanna know? Let's go on video detail and see how it starts. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Noor. Very warm welcome in my channel Earn with Noor. Today in this video, we discuss how you got tapping job or copy paste job or simply search Google job. So I'm going to share with you a authentic and trusted platform. There you just log in your ID and start working through this website. Through this website, thousands of people get their jobs. I think I've never waste your more time. We go to computer screen and see the website. There we start working and start our earning. If till yet you never subscribe my channel first and press bell icon. So let's go on computer screen and see how it starts. So friend, now we are on computer screen and here we open Google. Here we open Google and there we write our required website. We write here our required website is dailyremotejob.com. So we write here dailyremotejob.com and press enter. So we click on top of giving website Daily Remote Jobs. So friend, this is the website. There we start our working and there we start our earning. So first of all, we see it is trusted or valid or scam website. So we go to scam advisor and there we check right here our this website link. So dailyremote.com reviews. So scam advisor asks trusted rating is high and they give 100 from 100. Score rate is 100 from 100. So it means it is trusted, valid and very authentic website, and we very free mind to go there and start our learning and start our earning and start our working and start our earning. So we go to our required website. So on the top is remote jobs, remote companies, job categories and resources. So post jobs. If you want to post job, if you have a company or you need to job, you need to your apply. If you have your company, so you already join this website because on this website you already post job for yourself. So we need job already here and we go below. So freelancer writer, first job is freelancer writer, software engineer and FT professional data entry key working from home. So this is the job I'm talking about first. If you have mobile phone and you know how to tapping on mobile and you know how to search something from Google, then you visit this website and start your earning on this website. So first we try to visit so one more FT data entry operator work from home and call center customer service reply work from home and more work from home. PT customer service work from home. Remote job mean you are living at your home and handling this job through your home. So lot of job work from home here. So you visit in detail this website and search your own category job and apply on this job and get job for yourself. So I'm trying to click on one. So simply you click on apply. Then they ask you need to give your first name and last name and etc. So simply you need to give your first name, last name, email address, and zip code. If you know about your zip code, that's good. If you never know about your zip code, simply go on Google and write there your city and then zip code and click enter. So then you got zip code in few seconds. So apply to job. So they ask year of experience, they need to phone number, then get job, yes, then year of experience I have already plus 5 year experience, then apply for job, please wait. So friends, through this process you apply and give your basic information, then they contact you through your email address and you need to give your all information, you need to put your CV and experience letter, and then you start working through this website. It is very easy and very authentic website. There you log in and start your working and start earning. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel and share this video with friends. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.